Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again. If you're just stopping right here for the very first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you get a ding-a-dong whenever I post a new video. As for the returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for always coming through. Well, today I'm gonna be pranking my sister. I'm gonna be pranking my sister. I'm gonna be doing the coughing out blood prank on her, and that's why you see me holding this. But this is a food coloring, red concentrated food coloring. I'm going to be doing the coughing out blood. Oh my god, I'm so excited and at the same time nervous doing all of this. Well, a few weeks back I was sick and I was asked not to take oily or proteinous food, so I'll be using that as an advantage to prank her. Yes, I'll be using that as an advantage to prank her. I'll be telling her to prepare noodles and fried egg for me. Yeah, and just few days back I was trying to tell her that I don't know, sometimes it's a lie. I was trying to tell her, well, it's a lie. What I was telling her was a lie. I was like, if I eat something that has oil or something like egg, it disturbs me in my chest and it makes me want to cough, and when I'm trying to cough it normally pains me. She was like, stop eating proteinous food now. You know they ask you not to eat protein. I was like, I will try and just stop eating those things. She was like, okay, don't eat it again. I was like, okay. So today I'm so excited. She's not around. She went to our show because we have a show. I'm so excited doing this. She's not around, so I'm going to set the camera where she won't see it. I don't want to set it at the same place she did hers the other day. I'm going to hide this camera very well. She will not see it. I hope she does not see this camera. So let's see how the pranks. Mommy, my waist though. My waist though. Let me carry you. Do you want to break my waist? Don't want to break it. Oh yeah. You are inspiring to break my waist. Do not break your waist. Come. Please, Shasha is calling you. Hey, cut your indomie. The root. Focus. Use your head. Come on.
One eternity later.
Why? Or they can give you one of 100. She look like a community, but she go to your family like you.
No, we're not for a million years.
Two 2,000 years later.
We're gonna give this girl water.
There's no 成为宇浩和成为敌的人们，画句好语谩骂陷害过我的坚定的分。
Hurry up!
Two 2,000 years later.
Eh?
I want to clean this ground.
This is why they eat so. Jojo, go and arrange clothes with that with the inside out. Say those are that you want to wash. You want to be washed. Go and arrange them. Sit there. After that. Sorry, I will assist you. Give me water.
Yes, I know so fun. Just where's your phone?
Come. Put water on my head.
Where's Joshua? She's dying now.
When you charge my phone.
Go to the shop, go and tell her that sounds like coughing and blood.
Guys, see my mouth. Hey, Jesus. Guys, see my sister. Joshua, how did you feel?
Feel bad.
Ah, are you scared? Guys.
Who did she put?
So that at your face. She almost cried. When I didn't see you. See her eyes. She's weak. She can cry for Africa. Oh God, guys, this was extreme. Jeez. So please, if you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Click on this. How will I get this thing off my mouth now? Click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and please don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Now you get a ding dong whenever I post a new video. This is Kamsi. She does not know what to do. Jeez. Whoa.
I was just confused. I don't even know the password of her phone to even call. She was not even saying anything. She was just there coughing. Leg.